Bjorn the Naturalist. Today's my birthday party! Yay! My birthday party was awesome! My birthday was nature themed. If you're looking for great ideas for your party, here's some great things you should do. First, you need to decorate. Use good things from nature like sticks, rocks, and pine cones. Here's some good ideas for snacks. Fruits, pretzels, and dried apples. For my cake, my mom made cupcakes that tasted like s'mores. Now you have to keep the kids entertained, and here's some of the activities that we did. A great way to get started is with the nature scavenger hunt.
Do you have two kinds of leaves yet?
Hey, please see?
I need one thing.
Ooh.
Can I see it? Ooh.
We went on a nature scavenger hunt in the clinic.
So these are all the things you were looking for, right? You got a checklist and you got your little wooden pencil there to mark it off.
You can also set up a campsite in your backyard. We use bags for everything you need to make s'mores. Then the kids cooked real marshmallows on a real fire. Once you're done with getting sticky with s'mores, you can go get messier with making bird feeders with peanut butter. Here's an activity that I bet you've never seen before. You put some nature on paper and then put it in the sun for like a couple minutes and then dip it in water. I wanted to throw water balloons, so my dad made a tree with water balloons, and then you throw the darts. Make sure you buy plastic darts because kids like to run in front of the darts. If you have a big yard, you can just put all kinds of bats and balls and let them play. And you can make them look for bugs and other critters. It has like
Whoa, look at that.
one of the biggest attractions at my party was the mine room. I helped design my own nature-themed bedroom. If you haven't seen that video, you should watch that one next. It's really good. Let's go take a look at it. My bed is so cool. All the kids wanted to play in it. I'm sliding down! Oh, Bjorn! Yeah, that's fun!
Hey, back up.
That's fun!
Oh, jeez.
The kids love this rope. And it is fun! Now let's hear what the kids thought of my party.
Put your hands down for a minute.
Yeah. All right, here's all the kids from the party. They're going to tell us about their favorite stuff they did today. Okay, who wants to go first? Start with Reverie, right? Tell me your name. Tell me what you liked doing today.
My name's Reverie and I liked seeing Bree's room.
That was pretty cool. Okay, your turn.
My name is Max and I like seeing Bree's room too.
Reed's room's a hit. You're next.
My name is Marcy Joe and I like going to Reed's birthday party.
Cool. How about you?
Bjorn, it's
Yeah,
your
Bjorn.
My name is Bjorn and I liked playing football with Reed.
That was fun. Go ahead.
My name's Ramona and I wish to have a unicorn.
We didn't have unicorns here, did we?
Kai.
Kai?
My favorite part was playing football with Reed.
That was fun.
Football's a hit too.
Yeah. Jules?
My favorite part was going in the weed with Reed and Bjorn. I like to play with my friends. This is my favorite card. It's so naturey. See leaves, flower, all kinds of neat stuff from nature. It's from Ramona. I hope this gave you some good ideas for your next party. Bye, thanks for watching.